Emma. Good morning.
Morning, John. You look sleepy today.
Yeah, I stayed up too late watching videos. Not a good idea.
Oh no, coffee first, talking later.
Exactly. I'm John, by the way, for everyone watching.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here today.
So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is fun and a little dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah, because many people use these every day, but use them wrong.
Oh no. That sounds scary.
Don't worry. Today we're talking about 10 common English idioms people use incorrectly.
I love this topic. Even native speakers make mistakes.
So true. I still make mistakes sometimes.
Same here. English is weird.
Okay, let's start simple. Idiom number 1. 1. I could care less.
This one hurts my ears.
Yes, many people say I could care less.
But that actually means you do care.
Right. The correct idiom is I couldn't care less.
Because you care zero. Nothing.
Exactly. 2. For all intensive purposes.
Oh no, this one is everywhere.
The correct phrase is for all intents and purposes.
Not intensive.
Yeah, there's no gym here. 3. Espresso.
Don't say that to coffee lovers.
The correct word is espresso.
No X, just espresso.
If you say espresso, people still understand you, but they cry inside. 4. On accident.
This one is interesting.
Yeah, many people say, I did it on accident.
But traditional English is by accident.
Americans say on accident a lot now, especially kids.
It's common, but by accident is still safer for learners.
5. Nip it in the butt. This one makes me laugh every time.
Yeah, it's not but.
The correct idiom is nip it in the bud,
Like a flower bud.
meaning stop a problem early.
Please don't nip anyone's butt.
6. Pique interest. Okay, this one is about spelling and meaning.
People say, that really piqued my interest.
But the correct word is piqued.
P-I-Q-U-E-D.
It means something caught your attention.
English spelling is wild.
7. Play it by year. I hear this one all the time.
Me too, but it's wrong.
The correct idiom is play it by ear.
Ear because you listen and decide later.
Not year. No calendar needed. 8. Deep-seated.
This sounds right, but it's not.
The correct idiom is deep-seated.
It means something is very strong or emotional.
Like that fear is deep-seated.
Not planted like a seed.
9. Doggy-dog world. This one is funny.
Yeah, it's not dogs.
The real idiom is dog-eat-dog world.
Meaning, people compete hard.
A tough world.
Very stressful. No cute puppies.
10. Case and point. Last one.
This is a big mistake.
The correct phrase is case and point.
Meaning a good example.
Not case and point, no pointing fingers.
Wow, that was 10 already.
Time goes fast.
I remember using some of these wrong before.
Me too. When I was younger, I said espresso all the time.
Same. I thought it sounded faster.
And that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. English learners should not feel bad.
Even native speakers make these mistakes every day.
The goal is communication.
Not perfection.
If people understand you, you're doing great.
But learning the correct idioms helps you sound more natural.
And more confident.
And maybe avoid funny situations.
So here's today's takeaway.
Don't be afraid of idioms.
Learn them slowly.
Listen carefully.
And don't worry if you make mistakes.
English is a journey.
A long one.
With coffee breaks.
And lots of oops moments.
Thanks so much for watching with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, keep practicing your English.
Speak a little every day.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Take care, and don't nip anything in the butt.